Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin right away. Make sure your iPhone 13 is charged and on Wi-Fi. Open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. This starts the Apple ID flow. If you already have an account, enter those credentials. Otherwise, choose Create New Apple ID to proceed. You do this now because the device links services like Icloud and Find My. Once you tap Create New Apple ID, follow the prompts for name and birth date so Apple can verify age and set account parameters. Now you'll enter the details Apple needs: your name, birthday, and an email. You can use an existing email or get a free iCloud address. This determines your Apple ID. Choose a strong password and set security questions. These protect recovery. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for security. It prevents unauthorized access. Apple will send verification codes to the email and phone number you provide, so check both inboxes and messages. Then enter the codes when prompted to confirm your identity. Finish by signing in with your new Apple ID on the iPhone and enabling iCloud services you want: photos, contacts, backup, so your data syncs automatically. Set up Face ID or a passcode for local security, agree to Apple's terms, and review iCloud storage options if you need more space. If verification or sign-in fails, make sure Wi-Fi is stable, the device date and time are correct, and request a resend of the code. These fixes resolve most setup hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.